Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll and find more security and privacy, and here we have to scroll again and find installation sources. So here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on allow, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher next to the specific app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.